For most people, the software used the most on their computer is their web browser. I will help you to choose the one that will best fit your needs. We will count down the top 5 web browsers that you can use right now based on the performance, privacy and security, along with the number of features and customization option. So let's get started. So starting off our countdown at number 5 is Google Chrome. While it is the world's most used browser, it is far from be the best. Not only it is a resource hog and not recommended for lower end hardware. On the positive side, if you are someone that uses a ton of services from Google like Gmail or Office Suite and others, and if you don't mind their data collection practices, Chrome does have excellent cross-platform support, letting you sync your password and bookmark across multiple devices. Chrome also offered a large number of extensions to enhance the browser functionality. No longer exclusive to the browser, Chrome extension can also run on other browser based on Chromium. I will be showing you coming up most awaited feature in Chrome is dark mode to make your browsing the web easier on your eyes, especially at night. It is based on your system preferences on your operating system that also automatically apply to Chrome and other apps. Many people have asked how to add a new theme to Chrome that will change the overall look along with the wallpaper on the new tab page. I will quickly show you how can you do this. Click on the setting icon in the upper right, go down to the more tools and select extension in the upper left. Click on the main menu icon at the bottom of the pane. Open Chrome Web Store extension, right select theme. Scroll down to the list of available themes. There are quite a few. Choose from where you can find the one you want. Click on it and click add new theme. You will see the new theme has been applied, and when you open a new tab you will see the new background image. So Chrome is the fastest browser on Microsoft Windows. However, you agree to do Google's excessive data collection in exchange for that speed and convenience. At the number 4, we have Brave browser. So Brave browser is a very awesome browser. It is built on the Chromium base source code and it is providing numerous features. That's why it is gaining popularity nowadays. So these are the features that is provided by the Brave browser. So invasive ads block, cross-site tracker block, cookies block, and fingerprint block, malware and phishing protection, and protection against bounce tracking, and it also providing the Tor connectivity in the new private window. So these are the awesome features provided by Brave browser. That's why the Brave browser is different from the other browser, and it is concerned about the security. So on the top it is showing the 8733 tracker and ad blocks, and it is showing the bandwidth save and the time. And we can also go to the settings and check out the settings provided by the Brave browser. So if you go to the extension, so as I told you that it is based on the Chromium source code, so you can also put an extension from the Chrome Web Store and download the theme as well. So that's why it is leveraging the Chrome Web Store. And if we go to the privacy and security in this Brave browser, and we can also get the Brave reward if we interact with the ads that are put by the Brave browser on the website that we visit. So this is how we are getting the basic attention token. We can also contribute this basic attention token to the content creator or any website that we want. So if we click on the address bar and if we click on this Brave Shield, we can see the number of tracker and ad block by this Brave Shield, and it is showing the number of ad blocks and tracker by this Brave Shield. So this is how it is working, and this is providing you the security when browsing through this Brave browser. So if we go to the privacy and security tab, and we can see the settings of this Brave browser. And if we go to the Shield search engine, we can also customize the search engine because they are also providing the Brave search. For that, if we go to the Shield, we can also customize the tracker and ad blocker as standard, aggressive or custom. We can also synchronize the history, favorites, bookmark with the Brave installed on different devices. So this is how the sync is working. So we can leverage this feature. In our countdown, Mozilla Firefox is at number 3. So Mozilla Firefox browser is not known for speed. Firefox is more about security feature than speed, which is ideal if you are more concerned about blocking malware than loading pages quickly. Firefox received a facelift in 2021. Mozilla redesigned the tabs, prompts, menus, and overall look, giving Firefox a new modern interface. Under the hood, Firefox strives to keep you safe online with tools like DNS over HTTPS, which encrypts browser requests versus sending the information in plain text. So the Mozilla Firefox features are block crypto miners, prevents fingerprinting, store password locally, and ranks the lowest for speed in tests. So these are the features that Mozilla Firefox is providing. Works with Google products, Facebook container, synchronize your device, and it is also providing you reader mode, screenshot, enhanced tracking protection, and picture in picture. So if you go to the setting and if we go down the extension and theme, you can customize the Mozilla Firefox as per your use case, and you can also customize the plugin, and you can also go to the extension and download and install the extension that you want. So remember that this Mozilla Firefox is not based on the Chromium source code. It has a different source code which is Quantum. So Mozilla Firefox is open source, and you can review the code and contribute to the community. And so this is how the Mozilla Firefox is providing you the features. And if we go to the security and click on the privacy and security, it is providing you 3 modes in enhanced tracking protection, like standard, strict, and custom. So these are the features that are provided under the standard mode. So you can choose as per your use case. So let me choose the standard, and these are the cookies and site data that you can customize as per your use case, and delete cookies and site data when the Firefox is closed. So it is good to check this box on, and under the history you can customize this as per your choice. And so remember, you have to turn this clear history when the Firefox closes. So this is good practice to check these services on, whichever is standard. And Firefox data collection and use, so you can review what are the default data that Firefox collect when you use the Firefox. In the HTTP only mode, so you should select the first option, which is enable HTTP only mode in all windows, so that the browser will send your request in an encrypted format rather than sending in the plain text. So if you click on the more option, you will get the option like this. So let me choose the screenshot option. So it is giving you 2 options, save full page or save visible. So let me click on this area so that I can adjust my screenshot with the help of this drag and drag option. So this is how it is running, and once I have done, it will give me 2 options, copy and download. So this is how we are downloading the option. So you can also synchronize bookmark history with other devices in the browser. In our countdown, we have a Microsoft Edge at number 2. It is lightweight and native browser on Windows, and giving you most of the features provided in the earlier browser, like ads and tracker prevention, and security and privacy, reader mode, read aloud, theme, and on top of that, it is based on Chromium code. So you can leverage the Chrome Web Store for extra theme and extension. It also has its own web store. We also have capture full page with auto scrolling and capture visible area. If we click on the address bar, we can get the more information about this connection, like secure connection, number of tracker block, cookies used. It is also providing us the feature of vertical tabs for better visibility on the tabs. If we go to the setting and extension, by default Edge Web Store gets open, and you can also open the Chrome Web Store by turning on the extension from other stores. So features included in Edge is stack tabs vertically, group website into collection, support Dolby Audio and 4K, compete with Chrome in terms of speed on Windows. So if you click on the collection, the item in the collection will be listed out, and if you click on the collection, then you will be redirected to the item that collection has. So I am redirected to the website, and it is, if you click on the address bar, I will be getting the information about this connection is secure, cookies used, and the number of tracker blocked by this Edge browser on this website. So we can also see the tabs are vertically placed in this Edge browser, which is a cool feature. And if we click on the settings and go to the extension, so by default the Edge web store gets opened, because they are also providing the Edge web store to this Microsoft Edge browser, and because it is based on the Chromium source code, so it will connect to the Chrome web store as well, because it is showing an option Edge allow extension from other web stores. So this is how it is connecting to the other web store. So this is providing the best feature in it. So in our countdown, we have Vivaldi at the number 1. Vivaldi is a freeware cross-platform web browser developed by Vivaldi Technologies, the co-founder of Opera Software. It has tons of features, includes smart resource management. Our customizable UI and feature are designed to make your browser experience faster, simpler, and more efficient. Truly epic tab management groups an unlimited number of tabs into 2-level stacks. Real privacy at the core, blocks ads and pop-ups, extreme customization, better organization, create shareable themes, view multiple pages at once, which is page styling. Keep your extension because it is based on the Chromium source code, so it gets connected to the Chrome web stores, through which you can download a number of themes and extension. Vivaldi works seamlessly across desktop and mobile devices, syncing your browsing history, password, bookmark, tabs, and more. They use end-to-end encryption to protect your data from being accessed by third parties. So here we have the page styling. So let me choose the number of tabs so that we can do the page styling. So let me select the tabs, and we have to click on the page to the grid. So this is how we can view the 4 pages at the same time. So on the left hand side, you can see the sidebar, which has include download history, bookmarks, and Gmail client, and many more. So you can also add your website here by clicking on this plus icon, and you are ready to go. And if you click on the setting, so you can customize the setting as per your use case. You can take any page action from here, and you can read the web page in the reader mode, which is very cool. So this is how you can customize the reader mode by increasing and decreasing the font, line spacing, word spacing, and choosing the dark theme and light theme. So this is how the Vivaldi is providing you the features. If you go to the settings and click on task manager, so you can see the memory footprint, CPU, and all the resources that are being used by the Vivaldi. And you can also get access to the node in the Vivaldi itself, so you can write down any note while doing any search operation on the Vivaldi browser. And you can click on the extension. As I said earlier, it gets connected to the Chrome web store, through which you can download the themes and extension from here. So that's all folks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friend, and tell me in the comment section which browser you are using and why. And you can also consider subscribing my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.